All right, so good morning, everyone. Today, me and my group will be presented about laser beam machining. My name is Dinda, and also my group consists of Gloria and also Martinez. So, for the principle, basically, laser beam machining is a modern machining process, including in thermal machining process. It uses laser beam in order to produce heat, and it will remove the material from the workpiece. Actually, there is no tool used, so actually the interface is only the laser beam and also the workpiece. And usually it could perform cutting and drilling operation. All right, so for the working process, we can see from the picture it consists a lot of components like power supply, lens, and else. But I will explain the process. So it starts with CO2 gas is filled in laser discharge tube. And then after the power supply on, the lamps produce light energy and excite the electrons of atom. Electrons jump from low to high energy level, makes the atom reach high energy level. After the atom reach maximum absorbed energy, it start emits the energy. The lens collected the laser light and direct it to the workpiece surface. Evaporation occurs in the surface and it removes the material from the workpiece.
Okay, so the equipment used is first is laser machine, second is the power source, third is CAM, fourth is CAD, and five is shielding gas. For the power source is for the high with the high voltage power source is applied across the laser machine to produce the laser beam. And then for the same, what is CAM is the compute aided manufacturing in which the laser machine is integrated with the computers to perform the welding process. All the controlling action during the welding process by laser is done with the CAM. And then for the CAD, it's called computer aided design. So it is used to design the job for the weld for every laser beam. And next is the shielding gas. Shielding gas may be used during the process and it prevent the V or B from the oxidation.
The applications of laser beam machining. The laser beam machining is mostly used in automobile, aerospace, shipbuilding, electronics, steel, and medical industries. It is for machining complex parts with precisions. It's like in heavy manufacturing industry, it is used for drilling and cladding. It's also used for seam and spot welding among others. In light manufacturing process industries, it is used for engraving and drilling other metals. And in the electronic industry, it is used for skiving. Skiving is to join two ends of circuits and wire stripping. And finally, in medical industry, it is sometimes used for hair removal and also cosmetic surgery. That is all for applications.
And then is the advantages of the LBM. First is any material can be machined including non-metal. And the second is the production rate is high. The third is there is no direct contact between the tool and the work. And fourth is there is no tool wear. The extremely small holes can be machined. No mechanical force of the work. The heat affected zone is very small, and then the heat travels can be welded without losing their properties. And the last is the soft materials like rubber, plastic can be machined.
Even though the laser beam machine has the advantages, it also has disadvantages or limitations for the machining. The first one is require special trained operators for operating the laser beam machines. The second, it is not for mass metal removal process. The third requires greater control of joint tolerance. The fourth, it's a little bit expensive for the equipment. and it consumes much energy. Uh, the last is it cannot be used to cut metals that have high heat conductivity or high reflectivity, for example, aluminum and their alloys. It is for the disadvantages of laser beam machines. That is all for our presentations. Here is the references that we use for making these presentations. Thank you.